Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trinisha, aka Island Doc, and it's always a pleasure to have you here. This video is all about MAC nude lips, MAC 90s nude lips. So we're starting off with the Maximal Silky Matte Lipstick in Folio and then the MAC Lip Pencil in Stone. So let's get into it. We're gonna create a nice 90s look using these two products. We're gonna start off with the Stone Lip Pencil. Oop, 1 second, I need to sharpen this. 1 sec, I'm back. So let's start off with the lip pencil in Stone. So just looking at it off of looks, it looks like a cool tone type brown. I don't usually do a lot of cool tones, but you know, there's always a first for some. This is a new year of trying new things and putting yourself out there, because who knows, maybe I'll like it. Maybe I'll like it. Like I said, definitely cool tone. It's different. Almost even a little purple. Okay. Start at the bottom. Yeah, so definitely more cool tone. So this is how it looks with just that. Like I said, it's definitely more cool tone. And sometimes with cool tones, it can make your lips look a little ash, especially on a darker complexion. However, let's, trust the process. Let's get through everything. Because, I always have a solution for everything. I'm gonna tell you what my solution is for everything after we're done. So let's go in with the Folio lipstick. Also, interesting color. It's like a tan. Looks like a tan to me, like a grayish tan to me, which is also all outside of my comfort zone, but open. Oh. So this is how it looks with the Stone Lip Pencil and the Folio lipstick. It's different, but I actually kind of like it. I think there is a specific purpose. I would wear this, like a specific outfit, like a special event. Definitely would not be a daytime, day event type thing. Definitely like a night sultry look and do like a smoked out eye, that type of thing. But it's definitely different. But you know me, I am a big fan of the cork lip pencil. And in my eyes, the cork lip pencil can fix anything. So I wouldn't be myself if I didn't just check, just check to see how it is with my cork lip pencil. 1 second. And I'm back with my fave. The cork lip pencil is the perfect brown. And I think for me, although it's very cool tone, I think in order for me to feel a little bit more comfortable with it, I would need a warmer brown just to kind of bring it all together. So I'm going to take a little bit of the cork, go around just to give it a little bit more warmth, because I'm just not used to seeing myself with such cool tones all together, pencil and a lipstick. So let's go in with a little bit of cork. See? I'm loving it already. Cork is literally like my favorite. Like you can see the difference. So this is it with, I can't do that because the thing is gonna go to my pencil, but this is it with the cork and this is it without. So subtle difference, but I feel the warmth more on this side. So let's go over to the other side too. Very subtle difference. Like I said, nothing crazy, but gives me a little bit more dimension. So this is how it looks with the cork. As you can see, it toned it down a bit. And so now this is something I can wear daytime, nighttime. I feel a little bit more comfortable because I felt like I said, with the cool tone, I wasn't really too sure how I would pull it off in the daytime. I'm pretty sure there's some circumstance I can do, which is why I said a specific event. But overall, this is supposed to be a 90s look. So that is how it looks. So if you like cool tone lipsticks and pencils, I will definitely recommend the MAC Silky Matte Lipstick in the color Folio, and then the MAC Lip Pencil in Stone. MAC makes such great pencils and lipsticks. Like this silky lipstick is so buttery soft. Like, I'm lost for words. Like, it's so buttery soft. I've come out of my liquid lipstick era, so I don't really like liquid lipsticks like that no more. So it's been a bit like, I've been fishing for some lipsticks and stuff, and honestly, all my lipsticks right now are pretty much MAC at this point because the formula is just too good. And then while you're shopping for the MAC stuff, grab you a cork. You can never go wrong with a cork. If when in doubt, cork and chestnut. One cork, one chessie. You need one or the other, especially if you're someone of a darker complexion or more melanated. You need a cork or a chessie. Cork or chessie. Either one of those, you can't go wrong. Or both. Treat yourself. An idea, I was like, oh, I want to grunge it up right now to go with the lip. And even just me adding a little bit of a black shadow there is already creating a look that I'm kind of feeling. Let's, you know, I'm just gonna add some black here, and then I'm gonna buff it out with a brown. I don't be wearing a lot of shadows these days. Yeah, is it giving grunge? Is it giving 90s? I think so. I think so. I feel like now we're cooking with gas. I like. Yeah, I'm sorry. I know I had said I was just gonna do just the lip, but I was like, I want to see it all put together, and that combo, delish. But this was a pretty fun video. I really liked testing these lipsticks out. It's been great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, share with a friend. You know, join the little family we have going on here. And if there is something you want me to try, put a note in the comments. I will be sure to try it out. Listen, we're all family here. Let's get to it together. So I hope you guys have a great day. See you.